Hi students, if you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Don't forget to like it. Now I am going on. Topic is trigonometric equations. Now trigonometric equations is very important for JEE mains and also other competitive exams. Now here first I am discuss about now trigonometric equations formulae. Sin theta is equal to 0. Now theta is equal to n pi for all n belongs to z. Now cos theta is equal to 0. Now cos theta is equal to 0. Now theta is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 for all n belongs to z. Now tan theta is equal to 0. Now theta is equal to n pi for all n belongs to z. Okay, next one. Sin theta is equal to sin alpha or sin theta is equal to k. Now sin theta is equal to sin alpha. Now theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha for all n belongs to z. Now cos theta is equal to cos alpha or cos theta is equal to k means theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha for all n belongs to z. Now tan theta is equal to tan alpha. Now theta is equal to n pi plus alpha for all n belongs to z. And also now sin theta is equal to 1. Sin theta is equal to 1. Now theta is equal to 4n plus 1 into pi by 2. Next sin theta is equal to minus 1. Now theta is equal to 4n minus 1 into pi by 2. Next third one. Cos theta is equal to 1. Now theta is equal to 2n pi. Next cos theta is equal to minus 1. Now theta is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi. Okay, next one. Common solution of the two equations is now 2n pi plus alpha, where alpha is equal to now here theta, pi minus theta, pi plus theta, now 2 pi minus theta. Okay. Now here the most general value of theta satisfying the equation sin theta is equal to 1 by root 2, cos theta is equal to minus 1 by root 2. Now here sin theta is equal to 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 is greater than 0. Now sin theta is positive. Now here theta belongs to Q1 and Q2. Q1 and Q2. Next one, cos theta is equal to minus 1 by root 2. Here less than 0. Now cos negative, now theta belongs to now Q2 and Q3. Q2 and Q3. Now here common quadrant is Q2. Therefore theta belongs to Q2. Now here 1 by root 2 common angle is pi by 4. Now according to given formula, now here find alpha. Now alpha is equal to, now according to quadrants, now here theta, pi minus theta, pi plus theta, now here 2 pi minus theta. Now here theta belongs to second quadrant. Second quadrant means pi minus theta. Now pi minus pi by 4. Now 3 pi by 4. Therefore, common solution or general solution is now 2n pi plus alpha. 2n pi plus alpha. Now 2n pi plus here alpha is equal to 3 pi by 4 for all n belongs to z. Now 2n pi plus 3 pi by 4, option 2 is the correct one. Next one, the general solution of tan 2x minus tan x by 1 plus tan x into tan 2x is equal to 1. Now here given tan 2x minus tan x by 1 plus tan x into tan 2x is equal to 1. Now here this one according to tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B. Now tan A minus B. Now tan 2x minus x is equal to 1. Now here tan x is equal to 1. Now 1 means tan pi by 4. Now tan theta is equal to tan alpha. Now general solution is theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. Now here x is equal to n pi plus alpha means n pi plus pi by 4. Now for all n belongs to z. But here n pi plus pi by 4 is there. For here x is equal to pi by 4. Pi by 4 means tan 2 into pi by 4. Now for x is equal to pi by 4. For x is equal to pi by 4 means now tan 2x is equal to tan 90. Tan 2 into pi by 4, tan pi by 2. Now tan 2x does not exist or not defined, undefined, not defined. Therefore solution does not exist. Therefore solution set is equal to pi. Therefore option 3 is the correct one. Next one, the general solution of sin power 100x minus cos power 100x is equal to 1 is. Now here sin power 100x is equal to 1 plus cos power 100x. Now here LHS less than or equal to 1 and also RHS greater than or equal to 1. Since LHS less than or equal to 1, RHS greater than or equal to 1. Now LHS is equal to RHS is equal to 1. Now here sin power 100x cannot be greater than 1. Sin power 100x cannot be greater than 1. Means now here cos power 100x is equal to 0. Therefore cos power 100x is equal to 0. Means cos x is equal to 0. Now cos x is equal to 0 means general solution x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 for all n belongs to z. Now here multiply with pi by 2. Now x is equal to now n pi by 2 means now here n pi plus pi by 2. for all n belongs to z. Now n pi plus pi by 2 for all n belongs to z means option 3 is the correct one. Next one, the smallest positive x satisfying the equation log sin x base cos x. Now log cos x base sin x is equal to 2 is. Now let log sin x base cos x is equal to t. Now here t means the value 1 by t. Now t plus 1 by t is equal to 2. Now t square plus 1 by t is equal to 2. Now t square plus 1 is equal to 2t. Now t square minus 2t plus 1 is equal to 0. Now t minus 1 equal to 0, t is equal to 1. Now t is equal to 1. Therefore, log sin x base cos x is equal to 1. Now that implies log, according to fundamental principle of logarithm, x is equal to log n to the base a. X is equal to log n to the base a means a power x is equal to n. Therefore, now sin x is equal to cos x. That implies sin x is equal to cos x. Now sin x is equal to cos x means tan x is equal to 1. Now x is equal to pi by 4. Therefore, option 3 is the correct one. Next one, 1 root of the equation cos x minus x plus 1 by 2 equal to 0 lies in the interval. Now 1 root of the equation lies in the interval means, now you take any options, one of the value less than 0, one of the value greater than 0 means that value must be lies in the interval. That value must be lies in the interval. Now here let f of x is equal to cos x minus x plus 1 by 2. Now you take f of 0. Now cos 0 value 1 minus 0 plus 1 by 2. Now 1 plus 1 by 2. Now here 3 by 2 greater than 0. Okay, next one f of, now here pi by 2. Now f of pi by 2 means, now cos pi by 2, cos 90 value 0 minus pi by 2 plus 1 by 2. Now here 1 minus pi by 2, here less than 0. Therefore, now 1 root lies in the interval, 1 root lies in the interval 0 comma pi by 2. Therefore, option 1 is the correct one.